Same bus was stuck yesterday, but at least there's a path. There wasn't a path last night.
Over here, yeah, at least.
It was just a bus stuck.
Bus is not going anywhere. No.
It wasn't moving last night. And it was still snowing, so that's not a surprise. I think that's the bus that was there from last night. That's on the curb.
Oh my God.
Because there was one stuck there, it was two stuck up here.
Oh man. This is crazy. We never wanted this before. Why buses are all getting stuck and everything?
Do they got their chains? Nope.
Locked in. Oh my God. If I didn't have to stay on the hill, I wouldn't go. Come on, baby. Let's go down this side.
Whew. Today is a walking day.